This will be a video on 3D printed ceramic bricks. Throughout this informative video, we will give you a small insight on what 3D printed ceramic bricks are and made of, its properties, how it's performed, some pros and cons, cool information we found interesting about them, and a few examples of them being used in the construction industry. First, we will take a look at what they are and the material used. Basically, they are comprised of 3D printed porous ceramic bricks set in mortar. The most common material used when constructing the brick is clay, but plastic has also been known to work well in some situations. When making 3D ceramic bricks, a large printing machine is used to construct the bricks to the designated size and shape. The 3D printer is connected to a system consisting of plastic cartridges and air pressure. It works kind of like putting frosting on a cake. The bricks are modular and interlocking, and can be stacked together to make a screen. The 3D property creates a strong bond when set in mortar. The shape of the brick also creates a shaded surface on the wall to keep a large percentage of the wall's surface cool and protected from the sun to improve the wall's performance. The ceramic bricks feature tapered dovetail joints like those used in woodworking, and the tapered sides of the bricks can be oriented in wall assemblies to maximize structural strength. The ceramic bricks are a cost-effective building material, since they are much lighter and use less raw material than conventional solid bricks, and would be useful in large-scale construction.
Using 3D printed technology, Emerging Objects has come up with a solution which may be able to greatly reduce the use of air conditioning systems in hot, dry climates. The device, which is called the Cool Brick, has the ability to cool off an entire room simply by using the moist, abundant compound found on Earth, which is water. In actuality, the Cool Brick is not a new invention, as it is based on a system that many believe dates back over 3,300 years. However, using 3D printing, Emerging Objects was able to perfect the system and improve upon earlier designs. Inspired by the McAtee's evaporative cooling window, which was originally created using a wood screen and a ceramic vessel filled with water, the Cool Brick takes this idea and creates entire walls which can become interior walls of a home. Because the air in desert environments is so hot and dry, and provides for the capability of holding a lot of water vapor, the Cool Brick could be the perfect solution. Made up with a 3D printed ceramic lattice, it can be filled with water in a similar way a sponge can. Then when hot, dry air passes through, the air absorbs the water through evaporation and becomes cooler with moist air. The bricks can be set into mortar to create walls of virtually any size and any shape. When these modular interlocking bricks are stacked together, they create a large screen as seen in the photos. This could be a solution to the high electricity costs of running air conditioning systems in these hot, dry climates, killing two birds with one stone. A decorative-looking cool brick wall could construct in a home to cool that home off while also adding much-needed moisture to the air. Will this be the future of air conditioning? It could have a major impact on desert environments, but would not be much of use in areas like Florida where the humidity level is in summer is already very high. Some of the pros of 3D printed ceramic bricks are energy reduction, cost savings, good working in hot climates. Since there's no air conditioning, it reduces energy and emissions. It works very well in hot climates because the warm weather allows the cooling effect to work. And lastly, it removes humidity, which is good for personal living. Some of the cons are that it is not specified to be structurally safe because there is no buildings with the new technology that we can test. Another con is taking into consideration of saltwater climates because it can clog up the system to where the cold air doesn't go through and get into the building. Another factor to consider is mold growing in the bricks, and then that is a safety issue for personal health inside the building. And finally, the last con that I have is high humidity. and this will not be good because if too much moisture gets trapped inside the brick, it may cause water damage inside the structure.
Some interesting facts about 3D printing ceramic blocks is that they utilize the strategy of evaporative cooling. This is widely relied upon in hot climates before the development of refrigeration in order to passively cool buildings. Evaporative cooling involves the addition of water vapor through the air, resulting in lowering of air temperature. For millennia, porous ceramic vessels were used in desert environments to cool water by evaporation through their walls. This technique may have been around for a while now, but new technology allows us to get beyond what we thought was capable. There aren't too many examples of the techniques being used in the modern era because the technology is so new and they're learning new things every day. However, 3D printed ceramic blocks could ultimately change the way we view large scale construction in the future for hot, dry climates by making buildings lighter and increasing the strength at stress points.
Hello, I'm Jordan, and I hope you found this video on 3D ceramic bricks interesting.
I'm Sean, and I just want to thank you for taking the time to watch our video.
I'm Will, and I hope you have a great day.